Good afternoon, YouTube. We're here as a Florida man installs nitrous in his 350Z. Nothing good ever starts with Florida man. We got Matt the Ginge.
Hi.
Jamal. I don't know your Instagram name. Also, we can't play music. All right, Matt. What exactly do you need? Let's start with a list of the things you need to run nitrous on your 350Z.
Alright, so I went with the NX kit. Straight from them, it was for the Infinity. Everything was literally plug and play, at least so far for everything. Bolted the tank in the back, ran the lines up here, bolted both solenoids in. The fuel to get your fuel, because this is a wet kit, I think that's a safer version. Well, actually I know it's a safer version, is a wet kit versus a dry kit. And you tap literally inline into your fuel, no cutting, no nothing. So you just disconnect your fuel line down underneath, add that in, you get your fuel to your solenoid, drill it. The only modification I had was drill 4 holes in the back for the tank and drill a hole in my intake for the nitrous nozzle. And now all I'm doing is just wiring up the...
Are you going to use a purge?
I will. I don't have one yet. I'm on like a time constraint, but yes, I will. I will purge up you.
Hot boy. What are you going to say?
Yeah, so like to keep it safe, so what that does is that gets the whole nitrous in the car, and the only thing that'll allow it to fire is a wide open throttle switch. So when my foot's to the floor, that's when nitrous fires. But nitrous firing at super low RPM is bad for your motor, and nitrous firing at red line is also bad for your motor. So that's one of the reasons why you have issues. Another thing is leaning out if you don't get enough fuel in when you're doing nitrous as well. So what I did to combat all that was I got an Innovate nitrous failsafe gauge. So that tells me bottle pressure, air fuel ratio, and it's an RPM window switch. So if I'm not in an RPM range, it won't fire the nitrous. If air fuel ratio is out of what I specified, it won't fire the nitrous. And if bottle pressure is too low, it won't fire the nitrous.
So it has parameters for it to work in.
So it has parameters and that I can set to my comfort level based on how it's tuned, if it is tuned, if it isn't. So you mitigate the risk of blowing your engine.
You make the margin of error a lot smaller.
Yeah, you make it a lot smaller because one of the things is leaning out. Leaning out will destroy an engine. So now you say, okay, you physically cannot lean out on nitrous. So it'll just cut it if it starts getting too lean, and that's it. No, don't do that!
Perfect.
The brake's not hooked up.
Why would you do that? No!
I didn't know!
Right here, this line.
Is it? No!
No,
it's not as bad. It's not that bad.
It's good.
So what I'm going with here is I have a Nitrous Express EFI single nozzle kit. I actually got the dual nozzle kit, but I'm only using one nozzle. And the Innovate fail-safe gauge. Those are the only 2 things I'm using on this entire kit. No extras, nothing. Alright, so what the kit includes is a bottle of your choice of size, a long line to go from wherever you mount the bottle to the front of the car. That line connects up to the nitrous solenoid. You have the nitrous solenoid, which goes up to the nozzle. Also going to the nozzle is your fuel solenoid, which has a line that goes to the nozzle as well. You have a fuel line that goes to your stock fuel line, and then on this kit you have an attachment to tap into your stock fuel line. There are some kits that come with a fuel line adapter, some without. It's a cheap alternative, or you can just tap into it manually. And then you have, the last part of it is you have your nitrous jets, which determine how much nitrous and fuel goes into your system. So that determines a 25 shot, 50 shot, 100 shot of nitrous, which is added horsepower to the crank.
You said you've always wanted to do it. You gotta do it for the people now.
Alright. That was not necessary.
That wasn't even anything.
I know.
That was weak. Whoa.
Oh, I don't want to waste anymore.
You gotta do like a big heavy one.
Alright, I'm fucking scared.
Like a heavy one. Stop it. Just don't. Oh, you just gotta have some high. So Matt's quitting right now. Matt, why are you quitting, Matt?
Because this is day 4 of me going to work, waking up at 7 a.m. for work, and then leaving the shop.
You guys hear all these excuses?
I'm tired, man. I'm exhausted.
I'm just kidding. Anyways, we all have to work tomorrow.
Haslam doesn't have to work.
He's got plenty of stuff. But regardless, we did get a lot done. Like, you got both solenoids in. We got the relays mostly done. New spark plugs. Put the axle in with the new hub.
Fix the exhaust. Put the brakes.
Fix the exhaust. Put the brakes back on. What else? Like we got a lot in. Even Jamal had a 7x7. That's
Yeah, and we ate food. Yeah.
yeah. So we're gonna quit here tomorrow. He's gonna. Are you gonna do a half day?
I don't know. I'm gonna take a half day of work to try and just get this done.
We'll see, and then I'll try to come after work and see if we can finish it so he can spray a little nos in everybody's face on Saturday.
Yes.
I wish he had the nozzle. We need to find that locally. That'd be hilarious. Anyways, see you tomorrow. We're back, and Matt is in the car working on stuff. I'm gonna show you guys what he's done already and what still needs to be done, but this is day 2. Today we should be testing the nitrous. So this is gonna be real fun. So this is the solenoid for fuel, which means that fuel comes in from this side. It tees off at the fuel rail. So it tees off and one goes to the fuel rail for the injectors and the other one comes to the solenoid, and then it goes that way for the injection. And then this one is the nitrous solenoid. So it comes in from the bottle and then it goes to the injection. That's how you mix a wet shot. Here we already did the relay for the fail-safe gauge, and here is the relay for the whole system to turn it on, and Matt is just trying to run it over to the actual switch to turn on the whole system. We're missing the purge. We have to do the purge. That's like the ricerous thing that it has to be done. Wiring for this stuff can get kind of annoying because it tells you here you have to splice into here for the gauge. Then you have to know where to splice that into the actual nitrous system, because that nitrous system also has a TPS cutoff. So now we know we have to cut it here, but it's like 2 different systems that you have to. Are you all right, bro?
I'm like 100% done with this. I'm ready. I'm just ready to go fast.
All right, let's go fast. So we finished the wiring. Gauge works. Can't tell. First start, this is essential because we got to make sure there's no fuel leaks on the fuel rail. Perfect. Good. I don't even know how to record right now. I'm so hyped.
Oh, I know it too.
All right, it's recording. It's armed.
It's on.
It says armed.
It's armed. It's
Look,
armed.
there's a green light.
We're armed.
That means it's good. So now it's armed. So what we did was he disconnected. We're scared. So he disconnected the line. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna try it. Like he's gonna full throttle it, and nitrous should come out of that line, but it's not in the intake.
This is America. We're allowed to be armed. We're armed.
We're armed. So wait. Okay, hold on. Let me explain what armed means. Or you explain. Hold on.
So basically what this is all the conditions have been met. So we set the conditions very low. So we set it 0 or like 100 bottle pressure. Air fuel ratio is different. So I need to recalibrate the air fuel ratio here. And then and it's within the RPM range since we set a no minimum RPM range. So that means it should work. So technically it should spray
when you hit full throttle.
When I hit full throttle.
Okay, hold on. All right, go. Ah! The line disappeared. Where did it go? Oh, smell it. You smell it? Oh, it went all the way in there. Oh my God, we have nitrous. Oh. Yes. Let's drive it.
All right, let's go. It's only like a 35 shot in there right now, but yes.
Car's on, no leaks, nitrous is on and armed. Let's go for a ride.
All right. So, air fuel ratio, arm the nitrous. So let's see, it should say arm.
It wouldn't say armed until you get to that RPM, to that AFR, right? And the RPM range.
right now I have a 31 in my nitrous jet. Swap that over to the fuel, and then do 41
in the nitrous.
in the nitrous. So there's my nitrous. So let me swap this over first.
These are the shots nozzles. Look like little pellets. And then he's got a little sheet here, and it tells him. So this is for 2 jets, cause what is it? HR is dual manifold, dual intake, but this is a DE. So this is divided in half. So we're gonna do 75 shot, which is actually this one, the 150. It's because the dual nozzle. So it's divided in half. One nozzle, 75. He needs a 41 in the nitrous and then a 24 in the fuel. But we want to be safe, and we're gonna run 1 step up on the fuel to 31. Said O2 cut.
What?
O2 cut. Good. Yeah, that was good.
That was good. It was
11 something the whole time.
What?
11 something the whole time.
It was like a fucking light switch. It was like... I was cutting.
Did I miss that on camera?
Holy crap, dude, that.
Can you do one more full pull?
What?
You have to do it. One more full
I'll do
pull.
a U-turn up here.
Ah, no!
I will,
You gotta stop. You go from 0.
I know.
Full pull. Here we go.
Alright.
I saw it. Oh my god. Dude.
It didn't do full. It didn't do full.
No, it wasn't full, but in 3rd gear it was fully armed.
Yeah.
And that was fast.
Oh my
that
God.
was scary fast in 3rd gear.
Holy shit, this thing's gonna haul ass.
You're gonna whoop so much butt.
Oh my god, and this bottle's like, since it's like, I thought it was leaking, but it's literally like full.
Alright guys, that's it for the nitrous install. Matt has got to go compete tomorrow, and he's going to win today. And he's going to win and take the trophy home and all the rewards or whatever. This thing rips. It's amazing. He's got to dial in the parameters and stuff, but it's fucking sick. I'm so excited.
I'm so excited.
It's going to be amazing.
I don't have a slow car.
I know. Till next time, and thank you guys for watching, liking, and subscribing. Bye.